All right, fellas, welcome back. Today I've got 4 exercises to level up the old chicken sticks. First, we're gonna do a quad superset on the Nordbench Pro, followed by a hamstring superset on the Nordbench Pro. Let's jump into it. For our quad superset, we've got a counterbalance sissy squat using the Nordbench Pro flat as a target for the knees. I recently learned this from Judd Lionheart on Instagram, and these are really difficult. Great way to target the quads. Ooh, and isolate those a little bit better. So the key is to keep the hips locked in. We're gonna go up on the toes, knees go forward, and then when we touch that pad, we're going to extend. I think the dumbbells help a little bit with balance. We're gonna do 15 to 20 reps here. Then using the squat wedge feature on the Nordbench Pro, we're gonna do a heel elevated goblet squat. Again, elevating those heels helps to better isolate the quads and putting that kettlebell in front, forcing us to have to keep the torso upright. Guys, this one's gonna burn 15 to 20 reps here, and we're gonna go back and forth between those 2 exercises, 3 to 4 sets. Following our quad superset, we're gonna jump into a hamstring superset. I've got the Nordbench set at 40 degrees, and we're gonna do a set of incline Nordic hamstring curls. We're gonna come down slowly. Think about coming to the top only so high that tension doesn't come off your hamstrings, and you're gonna knock out 12 to 15 reps. And remember, you can actually set this up a little bit higher if this angle is too tough. Once you've hit your 12 to 15 reps, we're gonna go straight into a weighted back extension, working the low back, the glutes, and the hamstrings. And whenever you start to burn out there, we're gonna do a drop set. So say you've done 12 reps, can't do any more with good form, and we're gonna continue that set for another 10 or 12 reps unweighted. Y'all, this is gonna be absolutely killer on the hamstrings. 2 to 3 sets there. Remember, this superset can be quite a lot on the low back. Don't hurt yourself. You may only need 2 sets, whereas if you're in super great shape, you might need 3 to 4 sets. Y'all play around with this. A couple awesome supersets to build up the legs. I will note this. I would have done, prior to these 2 supersets, some heavy squats, some heavy RDLs, and this would have been my auxiliary work for the day. Thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe to the channel for fitness. Also, if you're trying to level up your protein goals, I've got a link in the description for First Form Formula 1 protein. It's the best.